Fergie's Kitchen. First, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I promise you, there's a lot of fun in Fergie's Kitchen. Well, today we will be making stuffed sweet potato with balsamic glaze dates. Now here are my ingredients for today. It's not a lot, I promise you today. This is my sweet potato. And as you know, sweet potatoes have so much great health benefits, like arthritis, and inflammation comes with arthritis. And it's also good for your digestive system. It's also good for treating ulcer, to control diabetes. It's good for it's like a natural treatment for cancer. It treats asthma, bronchitis, and immune booster. The rest of my ingredients are green scallions, green onions, we call it scallion, edamames, almonds, black pepper, and my dates glaze that I already made. Just warm dates. And for the edamames, I have a little bit of health history and advice on edamames. Edamames is very high in protein. It's actually lower cholesterol, and it's rich in vitamins and minerals. It also reduces the risk in breast cancer. So women, please eat your edamames. Beans overall is good. Helps to fight breast cancer. And also women, it may reduce menopausal symptoms. Ooh, I'm feeling hot already. Come on, I gotta eat some more edamames. Oh yeah. And it also may help to prevent bone loss, and also may help to reduce prostate cancer. So men, that's for you. So here, this is my ingredients for today. Here, I set my little oven to 400 degrees, and I'll be baking my potato for an hour. And I just washed my potatoes, so I'm just gonna stick it like around 3 places. And just put it in the oven. For an hour. I don't want to take it all out of the skin. I want to leave like an inch thick. Leave like that. Here I have my potato. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of edamame. About a teaspoon of green scallion or green onion, as you guys call it. Just a pinch of black pepper, not too much. And then I'm going to restuff my potatoes. And I'm gonna put it back. When I'm finished, I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. And I'll see you guys when we're finished. So I'm my FK gang. Here is my finished product, my stuffed sweet potato with balsamic date glaze. I hope you guys enjoy. As you notice, I use 2 different color potatoes just to make it look pretty for you guys. And remember, when you're eating this, remember all the health benefits, all right? Fergie keeps it good. All right, here is my scripture of the day for you guys. It's coming from Psalms 118, verse 29. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. All right? And my message to you guys today is, I'm so thankful that you guys are my subscribers and we are friends. And I'll see you next time in Fergie's Kitchen.